I'm Nicole Gray, founder of Rich, Skinny, Pretty. Now, don't let the name fool you. It's about everyday women and everyday style. And today, I'm at my very favorite shopping destination in Los Angeles. By Mason, and a jacket by Shelley Caudill. What does this look mean? It's all about French power play. She's going to complete her look with a pair of heels by Giuseppe Zanotti. For our third look, we're talking about Champs-Élysées style. That's the avenue where everyone's going out for a night on the town. In fact, you're most likely going to be watching the sunrise if you go out for a night on the Champs-Élysées. We have Yasmin in a sequin little number, perfect for a late night out. It has a modern shape, still classic, but fun, playful, and just a hint of sexiness. Next, we have Yasmin wearing a very South of France inspired look. She's wearing an A-line dress by Griffin, New York, with a little bit of a stripe detail, button-up structure, and collar. It looks like she's ready to go out on a boat, either in Saint-Tropez or Nice. Can I come with you?
Yes.
Perfect. So now you know how to put together a few French-inspired looks. Which is your favorite? Again, my name's Nicole Gray of Rich, Skinny, Pretty. Thanks so much for joining me here today at Madison Boutique. See you next time.